Demystifying Possessive Adjectives. Master your English grammar. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're delving into an essential topic that can truly transform your English language skills: possessive adjectives. These grammatical elements play a pivotal role in how we express ownership, and mastering them can bring your English communication to a whole new level. So, let's get started. Firstly, it's important to clarify what we mean by possessive adjectives. These are words that we use to show ownership or possession. The English language has several possessive adjectives, which include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. They are always followed by a noun, which is the thing that is owned. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," my is the possessive adjective and book is the noun that is owned. Now that we've defined possessive adjectives, let's explore how to use them in sentences. Here are some guidelines. 1. Match the possessor, not the possessed. Unlike some languages, in English, possessive adjectives must match the possessor and not the thing being possessed. For example, we say, "He loves his dog," even though dog is singular. 2. Plural possessors. When the possessor is more than one person, we use their. For example, the students forgot their books. 3. Singular possessors. With singular possessors, the possessive adjective must agree in gender and number. For example, "She forgot her book," or "He lost his pen." 4. Inanimate possessors. When the owner is an inanimate object, we usually use its. For example, "The sun had lost its warmth." Remember, these adjectives always come before the noun they're modifying. Practice makes perfect, so let's try to form sentences using each possessive adjective. 1. My. This is my car. 2. Your. Is this your book? 3. His. He is wearing his new shoes. 4. Her. She likes her job. 5. Its. The cat is licking its paw. 6. Our. We have finished our project. 7. Their. They are in their house. Try to create your own sentences with each of these possessive adjectives. That's it for today's lesson on possessive adjectives. Remember, these little words can make a big difference in your English proficiency, helping you express ownership and possession more clearly. Keep practicing and soon, using possessive adjectives will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining today's session, and I hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. See you in our next lesson.